Yeah. Take it over there to the dirt.
I'll just leave it as is for now to
Nice.
get a little extra time.
Alright guys, I'm here with Dion again. It's been about 6 years since we last ran together. I first started out doing a drone video with the Drone versus X-Maxx, but I realized I need 3 people to pull that off because you need 1 person to operate the drone, 1 person to operate the camera, and 1 person to operate the X-Maxx. So here it is, over a year and a half later. Finally get some stuff done. We got the camera mount set up, we got the drone ready, so it's gonna be a fun day. Yeah, so out of all my cars, this is the only one I have running. So the Mini E Revo, the last thing I was adding to that one was 2 high-tech servos, because the stock Revo Traxxas servos for the Mini E Revo kept failing. So I was replacing them with the metal gears from the high-tech. I got those from Hobby People in Santa Clarita a few years ago. I haven't even installed those. Crime shame.
And then again,
and then the
everything
Kyosho
else is not, well, this is the only thing that you still have stock.
Yeah, pretty much. And then the Kyosho, Alfredo last messed with it, and he did the oil change on it for me for the diffs. And I didn't feel like that one through that thing. So that was back in 2013, I believe. But now a few years later, I'm actually editing my videos, got titles and stuff, high definition cameras all the way around. Yeah, which car is this again?
This is the low seat short course spread. All of this stuff in here is
Audio